Episode of my I Tried series. Today I'll be trying out this. If it is possible for one to actually make $1 every 30 seconds by just watching ads online. Is it possible? I'll be showing you guys that in this video. I'll be taking you through the step-by-step process which I have to take to show you guys if it's actually true, if it's something you can actually do, or if there are other ways you can actually make money online other than watching YouTube ads or even ads on Google. So hello guys, welcome. My name is actually Ijoma Edwin. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. In my own channel, I do what we call the I Tried series, whereby I try out different ways to make money online, and also I tell you how you can actually make money online from the comfort of your home, through your phone, through your laptop, also how you can make money through the internet. So if that sounds interesting, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you can join the family. So now in today's video, this is what we are actually going to be trying out, this method with just my cell phone. So I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step procedures that I took and how you can actually withdraw, because from the video it says that one can actually withdraw and it is open for countries all over the globe, down to even African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, Angola. It is open to all those countries. So I was wondering, wow, if African countries can partake in this activity, then what is the name of the website then? So in that very video from Online Horses, he went on to say that the name of the app or the name of the website is what we call paidwork.com. So now I went to paidwork.com. I searched it on Google. I used my phone and I searched paidwork.com and I clicked the first option and it took me to their website, paidwork.com. And I decided to download the app because the app can actually be downloaded both on Android and also on iPhone. So I decided to download it on my Android phone and I downloaded it. Then I went to the app, I registered with my email, input my password, say my username, and I'm a newbie, so they took me to a few steps on how the app actually works. And the amazing thing that I saw in that video was that one can actually make money through other methods aside watching videos online. One can make money through surveys, one can make money through online games and the rest. But my main concern was watching of ads. So I wanted to see how much they will pay me for watching of ads. So I decided to watch ads. I watched like 2 ads and I think I was paid 0.02 cents for watching those 2 ads. So now before you can actually withdraw, let me just tell you, because I feel like this is what everybody wants to hear. Before you can actually withdraw, you will need to get up to $10 before you withdraw. You have to actually accumulate points, and according to what the app says, that you have to actually accumulate 100 points to make $1. So if you want to make $10, you have to get like 1,000 points for you to get your $10. So when you get your $10, you'll be able to withdraw. So the question is, how will you withdraw? How are you going to withdraw? So you can withdraw through PayPal. So this is for those who actually use PayPal, who are maybe those in the United States, those in Canada, they can actually use PayPal. You can also, for those in Nigeria, for those in Ghana, for those in Cameroon, you can actually use your bank app. And that was where I was surprised. Yeah, you can actually use your bank app to collect your $10 if you have reached the $10 limit. If you reached there, you can actually use your bank account. And I was surprised, guys. So now I'll be showing you guys the practical method of all this that I've just said for you to see that it is actually true. So I feel like this paid work is true, but it's something that will consume much of your time. So if you can bring out 1 hour to 2 hours of your time, of your free time to do this, you can get like $1 or $2. So if you do it for like a week, you may get the $10 they are talking about. So it's something that is good, but it will take your time. So if you feel like you want to do it, you can do it within your free time. But I feel like there are more things you can actually do to make money online. Yes, we have other ways you can actually make money online, and that is what I have made a video about that, so you can check that in the description. Other ways you can make money online from the comfort of your home without you getting worried. Yes, so now let me take you guys to the step-by-step process of what I just said for you to see that actually what I said is true and not scam. Let's go, sweetie.
So this is after I've installed Paywork on my cell phone. So I was asked to actually sign up with either my email or Google. So I just decided to use my email and then I inputted my password. So I decided to click on continue. If you click on continue, it will take you to, they want to know who you are. So I put in my name. My name is actually Edwin Rejoice. I just had to put in Edwin Rejoice. Then I was asked if I was a female. I clicked yes. So if you're a male, you can click you're a male. So how to get started? I wanted to know how to get started. So I followed the procedures. They have methods of earning, games, and others. You can earn through it. So this is me on the site. As you can see, I currently have $0.00 on my account. So I was just scrolling through the app to see what the app looks like. And as you can see, I have not earned anything at all. So these are ways you can earn through play games, through surveys, through watching of videos, online shopping, and takeouts. So I wanted to watch a video, I wanted to see what it's like. So they say if I watch this video, they will give me 0.1, which is equal to 1 point. So I said, okay, I'm going to watch it. So I mistakenly clicked on the advert that was showing. So this one is actually not part of it. So see the watch there, I clicked on it and the video decided to play. So I'll be watching this video. As you can see, I clicked on watch. They say watch the video for 30 seconds to receive 1
How
point.
much do other games
So this is
offer when they
actually a
go
particular
online?
ad
Only a
that they
few
brought to
dollars.
me.
Then how much
So I'm
will
to
we
watch
offer
this
when our
ad
game
for
goes
30
online?
seconds
We'll
and
directly
see
offer
the cards that are on
$100.
top
And what
there.
will be our game's cash
And
withdrawal
when I'm through
threshold?
watching the
Regardless of
ad,
the amount,
I
they
will
can withdraw at any
collect
time.
just
Excuse me,
1
have you downloaded
point.
and start earning money?
So I decided to watch the ad and I'm through watching this particular ad. As you can see, I'm through watching this particular ad. And let's see what we end. So they also said I can also watch. So this is my $0.1 you are seeing there on my wallet. That is just what you're seeing because I watched one video. So I decided to watch another. And they also say you can get for 100 points is equal to $1. So I decided to watch another video. So this very video is still that I'll have to watch to also get 1 point. So I'm to watch this particular one to get 0.7 points. And this is actually the ad they brought up for me to watch. So you just have to be watching different ads and they'll be allocating points to you. As you can see, I now have $0.2, $0.02 as you can see there, guys. So this is just how it works. So it will take your time. You just have to bring out 1 hour to 2 hours of your time for you to actually earn. So I decided to check more of the apps, and this is what they say that one has to get up to $10 before he or she can actually make a withdrawal. Yes, you can actually make a withdrawal, but only when you reach the $10 requirement. So this is how they pay through bank account. You input in your bank account number, you fill out the information, and this is also through PayPal. So the bank account is what actually interested me because I don't have PayPal, but I can input my bank account. So it's very good and encouraging. So this is just how the app looks like, guys. You can earn through different ways aside watching of videos. Yes, you can actually earn aside watching of videos. You can earn through playing of games. You can earn through surveys. If you're the kind of person that want to take surveys, you can also earn through surveys. If you're the kind of person that love playing games, you can earn. If you want to do an online shopping, you can also earn through you just shopping. So this is the app, guys, and I feel like it's something you all can give it a try. It's not something you should just put your mind, but you can take this as your side hustle. This is my analytics for today. I've earned only 0.02%. So it's something